Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to get this look using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So starting off with my brows, I'm doing as always the same basic routine with my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and then I'm going to set my brows with um, the actually I'm using my Essence Make Me Brow to set it today. I'm switching it up for y'all. Whoa, big surprise. And then I'm just taking my Urban Decay Primer Potion and I'm applying that to my lid with my finger. And I'm going to set it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Translucent. Going into the palette, I'm taking the shade Silk Cream and I'm using that as my transition shade to start out the look. And then I'm going into the shade Pooter and I'm applying that as well and giving the look a little bit more of a yellow tone to it. And I'm also building up that color. Then I'm going in with the shade Hunt and I'm focusing that on the outer third of my eye to kind of give it a little bit more of a reddish brown. And then on my lid, I'm wetting the brush and taking the shade Queen and applying that all over my lid. And then I'll just take my brush from earlier and blend it out and make sure there's no harsh lines. And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Discovery Mascara. It's my favorite mascara. I love it, and I love how precise the applicator is. Then I'm going in and I'm taking my Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer and I'm priming my face. And for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation and I'm just dotting that all over my face and blending it out. It's one of my go-to foundations. I'm wearing it right now. And then for concealer, I'll be taking the Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm going to be blending it out with the same brush from earlier. Now I apologize because you can barely see what I'm doing. Then to set my under eyes, I'm going in with the Maybelline powder again and I'll be setting my face with my Bare Minerals powder foundation. Then for bronzer, I'm using my Tried and True Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I can't get enough of it. And then to contour, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. And for blush, the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon. And then I'm going back into Pooter and Hunt. And I'm just lightly using Hunt. And I'm doing my under eyes. And then I'm setting my brow bone and applying mascara to my bottom lower lash line. And then I'm setting my face with my Evian facial mist and using my beauty sponge to dampen it out. Then I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, I believe that's what it's called, and I'm doing my lips. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!